welcome back to another day. It's 4 o'clock and we are all set to go to this place, Kiki. So it's a very nice place, but it's on it's really expensive. That's what we have got to know. And
That's because
yesterday,
they're cover charges.
where you are recording, bhai? Look this side, you concentrate here, na? So as I was saying that, see, yesterday I didn't wear this shirt and I told her we should wear. She said no. But he got tanned so badly. Even the face is very tanned a bit. You know, the sun is, you don't feel it that much because on the scooter, because it's breezy, cool breeze blows. Like the sound of weather is okay here. And before 4 o'clock, it's not advisable to go out, you know. Unless you want to turn a charcoal bugger. Anyways, so Jaden is very excited.
We don't get to go out because of the work.
The amount of housework that's going on, we don't get a chance to go out. So anyways, we all set to hit the road. Once we are there, then I will show you the place. And so this is his bag is already torn because of amount of luggage. Luggage. I'm saying his stuff.
Sorry.
Chalo. Now we are going to get it staged and some more thing. And I have to train my co-pilot how to vlog. She makes big blunders. Anyways, chalo. I'll see you there now. Boom. Has to fuck it up. So this is see, this is just 2 minutes away, a very famous Instagrammable area. Yesterday also I showed you, yesterday or day for yesterday, one of them. We are going from that area only. It's our house is very centrally located now, everything is close by. Whatever is in the north. So the road is going to start of that place. I'm going to show you. It's called Parra. And we didn't know about it. And it's going to start now. Everybody comes here for during this sunset. That day we were just to see here they start. Here it starts. All are there.
Emotional, damn it!
So this is the road and see no parking is written. Chalo, so I'll now show you the place once we reach there. So this is the place I was talking about. There's a scooter. From here we enter. You have to come here first, give them your details, and this is the view. Says also something is there, but they're saying construction is going on. This is the bar. Very nice place. Inside is all air conditioned, that's it. Let me just show you. Inside is all air conditioned. Here's also air conditioned area. So if you sit on your left side here, na, on the ocean this side, this rail you have to pay 2,000 per person cover charge. And otherwise it's all normal. Otherwise it's in the evening during lunchtime you come, they won't ask you anything, they won't charge you anything for cover charges. But in the evening when you come now, you have to pay 2,000 per person. And the view is damn nice here. I'm gonna make a story also here, Rasi. Just look at this side. See this view. So anyway, let's see what I'll order, what we're going to order this now. Diane is taking a look at the menu and then I will make a story also of this place. Damn nice. Thumbs up to this place, man. And it's so close to our place, man. So close. It's only 15 minutes away from our house. Damn nice. Must come here, yeah. So let's see what we'll order now. So this is the pizza that came. Very nice it is. Pepperoni pizza. It's for $9.50 and we ordered this water bottle also. Actually I like to collect these water bottles, so I got one for $1.50. So anyways, the ambience is damn nice and you have that crunch. The place is on the steeper side. It's more like the Delhi price only. You know? Delhi price. Little. But yeah, it's worth coming. And the place is very, very nice. In the night also it must be looking very nice. But this view, no? This is only nice at this time. Little towards the evening. And the sunset here also must be looking damn nice here. Let's see if we'll be here till the sunset. What's the time just now? It's 5:20. Maybe we might be here, na, for the sunset. Because Jaden sleeps, we can relax and enjoy this ambience. Once he gets up, then keep running around with him. So anyways, I'll now finish this meal here and then maybe I'll show you the sunset here. Okay? Shut up. Till then, wait. Boom. Just see, in a matter of few minutes, in some time, it was 5:20, I told you, it's 5:45 and see, it's all turned full. Right to there it is. There to full. And these tables at the front are for 2,000 rupees a person. Right now. Evening time you have to pay cover charges for this place. And I think mostly people are coming to see the sunset here, relax and eat. So very nice. Very nice place, yeah. You just relax and pass your time here as much as you want. I find it better than sitting at the beach just now. Anna? Yeah. As long as he's sleeping, we can relax. As he gets up, we have to be on our toes. You're daydreaming? Who's daydreaming? Yeah, he's enjoying now. He just got up. Enjoying now.
Look at smile. Yeah. Okay, look here again. Smile. Done. Clicked. Okay. Now come down. Again. Again. Okay, wait. I'll make you sit again. What should I do? Click your picture. Okay, smile. Oh, you learn to smile for the camera.
So this is now. We'll just go upstairs and just take out a video.
Hi, the section is closed.
No, just wanted to.
We can't. We are having a shoot. Sorry.
They just told us you can go upstairs.
No. Who told you?
The waiter, they said that
I'll
y'all
tell
can
them.
go. Anyways, I'll then just show you from here only. Photo shoot is going on. Chalo, this is the end of this place because we have done our payment here. Was for 1271, and you have staff. You have to pay staff also here. Something staff bill also is here. Just see the sunset. As I told you, the sunset is done nice from here. I'll just finish the. We'll wrap up from here, and then we're going to head to which beach we're going to? Vagator Beach. So we'll quickly head there before the sun sets fully completely. It's 8 minutes from here, and let's quickly take a snap because their photo session is going on where we have to do it right there.
Was trying to go and sit in front with Andrew in the carrier. I had him in the middle, but then he wanted to get in front. Jaden.
So we finally made it here at 7:10. 7:10, and this is the view. I don't know how much you all can see, but it's turned dark here. Like वीडियो में तो कुछ नहीं आएगा ज़्यादा, और I'm just look at this house.
And Jaden's mother.
See? Look at this house. It's right there. This is the Vagator Beach. I was asking you, see this place. What is this place? Full lit up. Anyways, Jaden's mother and Jaden both are enjoying the sand pit. Yesterday he was in a mess because it was all wet. So we'll be going from here to another place just now soon. We have come here for like 10-15 minutes so that Jaden plays, messes himself up, gets tired, and then we'll go home, freshen up, and just wash him up, wash Jaden up, and then we'll go maybe to Newton's or something, to pick up the last minute goodies and then maybe hit some shack or something. Let's see which we both decide on. We saw a very nice few shacks, very nice next to that same place, Kiki. I think we might go to one of those places. चलो फिर मिलते थोड़ी देर में. Boom. चलो
Bye, Jaden.
say bye. Say bye.
He's thinking I'll take him. Come. 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 Come on. Come fast.
You
Jaden, come fast.
you
Come fast. Come on.
Ai.
There you go.